You guys, this box was lit, okay? Like, I rocks with Walmart beauty boxes.
You have now tuned into another Just for TV production.
What's up, cousin? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jess, here on Just for TV, where we are all about providing you with an assortment of high quality video content for your entertainment pleasures, as well as piquing your interests and curiosities while still satisfying your needs and wants about everything that is lifestyle. So today I am back on your screen and gracing your presence with another Walmart beauty box unboxing. This is actually part one of a 3-part series for 3 Walmart beauty box unboxings. The first being my winter Walmart beauty box subscription and 2 winter limited edition Trendsetter boxes that I purchased. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos for parts 2 and 3. So if you watched my fall beauty box unboxing video, then of course you know that this subscription box costs $5 plus shipping, but still ends up being less than $6. And it is sent out quarterly every season. So each time the season changes, you can expect to receive some new products and samples to add to your already growing products stash. At any rate, if you're interested in seeing what this particular subscription box has to offer, then without further ado, let's open it up, shall we? All right, so opening up this winter subscription box. We have, so the inside of the box, of course, just has hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And we have our little card. This basically just gives you an overview of everything that is inside of the box and gives you a description of each item. So this specific box is created to basically receive a spa experience at home so that you can pamper and treat yourself. And it says that it leaves you glowing from head to toe. So let's see what the first item is, because sis is ready to glow. So first things first, in this box, I have some Trendsetter Pro Pure conditioner. It's a light moisturizing and hydrating conditioner. Next, to complement this conditioner, I have some Trendsetter Pro Pure shampooing, light moisturizing hydration shampoo to go along with and complement the conditioner. So I'm excited about using these, especially once I take these braids out and see how it makes my hair pop. And next we have, looks like we have some fingernail polish here. Nice and snug and tugged so that it won't, and it's pretty and it's gold. We have some gold fingernail polish by Essie. You guys, this is like a champagne gold. This looks so poppin'. I actually can't wait to paint my nails. So yeah, we have some fingernail polish. Next in the box is some Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. This is for skin, hair, and nails plus joint support. And it's a dietary supplement and the flavor is lavender lemon. So I'm guessing that you put this in your water and you drink it. And it's 12 grams of collagen per serving. I don't know. Maybe it's something new just to expand my horizons, expand my palette a little bit. So I'll be trying this soon. Next up, I have a sample Biore charcoal pore strip for your nose. So I'll definitely be trying that because, you know, the nose area with, you know, me just overcoming maskne, it can't hurt it. Ooh, up next, we have a Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. It's gentle and mild and vigorous, and it's perfect for travel and for all skin types. So this is the texture scrubber. So basically it says, we believe that good thoughts attract good things and that getting clean inside and out is definitely a good thing. Hello. Why wouldn't it be? You better be washing your ass. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. Right now, you know, there's really no travel, or you can travel, but I'm skeptical. So when the world open back up fully and sis can catch flight, this will be in my travel bag. And next, I have some Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for sensitive skin. And you guys know me and my skin, it is super duper sensitive, so I am excited to try this. I hope that the fragrance or the flavor is not counteractive, but this is cruelty free and it is vegan, so this is also something that I could just add to my travel bag. So when the world opens back up and I'm on vacay and I want to get this face cleansed, I can use that. Up next, we have, okay, come through E.l.f. in the beauty box, Hey, we lit. Yeah, we got some facial oil mist, some facial oil soothing mist by E.l.f. and it's infused with neroli oil. So this is exciting. So I'm super excited to try this soothing oil mist. Like, I'm all about a good face mist, face toner, face oil. So this is literally legit right up my alley. Like, y'all, this box is lit. And the last thing in this box, come through NYX. NYX always coming through in a beauty box. So we have some NYX Filler Instinct. Hey, come through with the NYX. And this is plumping lip color. Okay, like shorty lips already, you know, some soup coolers come through with the Kool-Aid, but I mean, whatever, I'm gonna use it because I'm trying to be popping. So yeah, this is actually the last thing in the box. All right, so that is everything that was inside this quarter's winter Walmart beauty box subscription. You guys, this box was lit, okay? Like, I rocks with Walmart beauty boxes. For $5, you really cannot beat, you know, the products that you get in this box. Granted, the majority of them are samples. You can actually receive some full size, but I mean, the samples will do. Like, it's only $5 and you get to experience some products that you probably normally wouldn't pick up on the shelf or purchase on your own. So receiving them in this box, I think, is an awesome idea. And again, for $6, who can beat it? I'm gonna say that this box is a hit. I legit will use everything that came in this box. I'm so excited about the fingernail polish, that champagne gold fingernail polish, and I am also excited about the NYX lip filler. And I would say that this box was definitely worth it for the $5 and some change for this quarter. You guys also make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified when parts 2 and 3 go live, so that you can see what's inside those and see if you missed out on some gems. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. And if you've already received and or subscribed to the Walmart beauty box subscription, let me know in the comments below if you've already got your box and if you like the products that you got in it. Or if you're planning to purchase a subscription, comment down below the word beauty. If you found this video interesting and enjoyable, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so already, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. This will count as your good deed for the day. If you've been here, done that, thank you so much, cousin, for your continued support. I greatly appreciate it. Your good deed is done and has not gone unnoticed. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.